Look, those 7 kills, just so the internet world knows, is because I don't use this person a lot.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sure.
Yes. Also, why are you always jumping?
Those couple of kills I got is just because I suck.
Where are we going, Sir Drawmaster Bird?
I was hoping you guys would like ping a location or something, but oh shit, my controller's low. Oh god. Is that door just open or am I tripping?
You're tripping.
Elias, back away.
What?
Why are you following me?
I'll go to the far building. Chill out.
Ooh, starting off well. Got a grenade.
I got a Mozambique. We're about to win, bro. Game over.
It's all about the arc stars.
Oh, yep, just got some arc stars.
I always collect like 13 arc stars, but I never get to use them.
You get to use them, you just never use them.
Oh, I forget I have them, to be honest.
Oh, level 2 backpack. Hey man, and I got some arc stars. All I'm saying is, we might win.
Oh, I see one.
Where? Oh shit.
Do they see you is the question.
Well, I just shot at
now
him.
they do, because Bird just shot him.
Whoa.
I got a hit on him. He's in that building. Oh, there's a shield.
Oh, well, that's just dandy. Oh, that's a med kit. I want that med kit.
He's hiding in his shield. Oh, I got him. Shot him. Oh,
Hold on, they're about to come out.
You run back towards this window. I'll shoot him.
I'm gonna throw some arc stars.
Pearl, I fell.
Knocked him.
No! Oh, he is. He's right here.
Oh gosh, no!
Got him.
He's right here. He's right in front of me. Get him. Shoot him. Shoot him! Come on, Bird.
Is he dead? Nope.
Oh, he's right here. Shoot him.
What? I just feel like I'm about to die. Oh my
Oh,
gosh, I am gonna die.
I'm about to die.
Yeah, tell me about it. It's about to be game over, man. Are you guys still in the storm?
Oh, yeah.
Oh shit.
Did you find enemies?
Oh yeah. Oh, I found
What
enemies,
about
all
you?
right. That's the plan, brother.
You taking this balloon?
Where's that?
Way over there, still in the storm. You know that I'm still running through.
Okay, I'm at the bottom of the river, and I just made it out of the storm. Oh.
Oh, I see a team flying up the balloon.
Oh god, that means they're right next to me. Oh shit! I found one, and I'm dead.
Question.
Yeah.
If I use Bangladeur's bombing thing, does that also hurt us?
Yeah,
Did you just say Banglador?
yeah. He did just call it Bangalore.
It's called Bangladeur.
No, it's Bangalore. There's
I
no-
can call it whatever I want to.
There's no D in there.
Elias, how are you a higher level than me?
Listen, I don't use this guy either. The only one that I hate is the burst gun.
Yeah, they're pretty trash.
Oh,
100%.
oh.
Yeah.
And here I am running with this Hemlock Burst.
Here. Oh, this is gonna be real scary. I don't know if I want to do this. It's pretty daring.
What is?
Going up here.
My goal this match is not to get caught up in the storm.
Yeah, tell me about it. Okay, energy ammo, but no energy weapon. Yeah, I'll take that. Another hemlock.
Here's a R301.
Oh, I'll take it. Say no more. That is my favorite.
Yeah,
I'll take that syringe.
yeah, I'm not gonna let you take this. This is all mine.
Yeah, buddy.
Oh, fuck you, bird. Zip line.
Where are they?
Yep.
Well, they're over there.
There's one right there.
Oh shoot! One's up here. One's up here. He's right here by the rope. By the rope. Get up! Ah!
Shit.
Get up!
That's you.
Behind that door.
Crap.
You punch him.
Yep.
Yeah.
Always.
Alright, he fell down.
You ain't getting away.
Elias, crawl in here. Elias, crawl in here.
You ain't getting
Shit!
away.
Behind you!
Behind! Turn around, Caleb.
Fuck!
Here, they're...
I was going for the marker, but I saw somebody like go straight down, so I was kind of worried.
Whoa, we're so far. We're so far away.
That's okay. That just means we get to get our cardio in. Broski.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's great.
Oh.
You know, let me go. Let me go pick up my single grenade.
Yep. Well, I got a havoc,
Well,
so.
shit. I'm glad you have a havoc. I've even made it.
Oh shit.
Open a backpack.
Oh,
Come
double
on.
shit. Enemies.
I got shotguns. A shotgun.
Are you fucking kidding? Oh my god. I'm sorry. I'm pissed. The whole team is right there. Thank you, because he should have been fucking dead. Next time I see a Mirage, I'm just gonna run because I can't.
Oh, where'd he come from?
I'm sorry. What?
Where'd the other guy come from?
All right, relinquish that shit. I'm done. Bye.
Oh fuck, I'm jump master.
Well, I'm better than me.
Okay, I'm just gonna go.
Oh,
straight
nope, not
to
doing
the
there.
Thunderdome.
Are you serious? Oh shit! You know, honestly, our best games have come from the Thunderdome.
Oh, there's a purple
How are they
demon.
flying past us? How are they so fast?
They're going where we're going.
Fuck this shit. I'm going straight to this building. Y'all can go. Get away from me, Elias. Oh, fuck all y'all.
Oh no! I went all the way to the ground. Oh shit! Oh double shit! Oh, I'm gonna die.
Oh, yeah,
Can we
okay.
join Caleb down there first? Oh wait,
I'm sorry.
Where are
What? Oh shit!
Bird, why would you go all the way down there?
That's a great question.
I see a person.
Yep, they're shooting at me. Oh no! What the fuck?
Yeah, don't come over here.
Please come get me.
I'm not trying to.
Help me.
Oh, snap. Where'd the other person come from?
Oh my god. Game over. Elias, book it. Just run. Just run. Don't even try. Just run.
Miserably. They
You'll make
came
it to
from
the
all
end.
Directions.
I'm just watching you guys die from above.
Oh, you're such an ass. 9, 8,
Oh shoot. Oh,
7,
no, coming.
6, 5, 4. Drop! Circle! 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 Oh no! What a sack!
No, you would have had it, but you didn't drop. You just
I tried to drop it.
you just kind of just sat up there.
Sorry.
That was the point. Maybe we'll
I
take
would
you
get out of
back.
that building before they rush the shit out of you. Just book it. Elias, don't jump on him! Oh my god! Oh shit! Not one of those hit?
You can't see me! You can't see me!
Y'all might want to heal.
Now I can't see. Oh gosh.
Oh fucking god. Fuck this shit.
There's a guy.
I'm gonna hop up these stairs. Oh, that's what you took! You took my shotgun ammo! You shut up the gun!
I didn't take shotgun ammo. I took your body shield.
I have 3 bullets.
You know, the enemies probably took it.
What's that?
Just gonna blame Elias for everything. Man, they're probably just waiting outside the house, and then you're gonna walk out, and boom, dead.
That's fine. That's fine. I mean, I'd rather than wait
What the hell is
outside.
that?
Arc star.
Grenade! Oh, shit.
Oh,
Oh, fuck.
ding gas.
Hit him again! Hit him again! Oh,
How
shit!
did I not kill him? Come on. Oh.
Oh, get the other one! Get the other one! Get the other one! Oh!
The river's just not a nice place anymore.
Bird, don't land us in the water last time. Bird.
Eat my ass. Ooh, double fuck! Oh, double fuck! Yep, I'm dead. Yep. I might as well just go fuck myself, because I'm not gonna make it. She's just gonna fucking hit me until I die. Yep, there I go. Falling down the stairs like a fucking idiot.
I have no gun.
Oh,
I'm so
great.
mad.
Never
I'm
mind
so
then.
mad right now.
It's alright, fellas. First match
No,
of the day.
don't worry. I got a med kit and a grenade. We got this.
Oh, great! There it is.
Okay.
Yep.
Right.
Send it, bro. Send it. Yep. Now you're out of smoke and dead. Wait, are you serious?
Just run by.
No way. He's right behind you.
I don't
You're
care.
fucking
Don't
dead.
care.
Oh no! If you make this,
Wow, jumped off the
I
top.
will fucking like. I will suck your dick. I will honestly give you a blowjob if you win.
There you are, star.
I'm dead ass.
I have them chasing me around the world.
Are you fucking kidding me? Hey, what about mine?
I'm coming.
Okay. No, don't even worry about it. I got 6 seconds. Fuck it. Just go. Just go. Just go.
Oh shit.
No. Yeah, you might want to run.
Oh shit.
I'm coming back.
Yep, great. Hey, look, another devotion. Must be nice. Hey, look, a med kit. Must be nice.
Look, a partner with a device.
You're so mean. Hey, look, friends who are alive. Great.
Bird, look, I was panic running.
Oh gosh, what?
Right, go right, go right, go right.
Why?
Oh shit.
Fuck this shit, I'm out.
I'm gonna hide in this bush. Should I crawl to you? What do I do?
Elias, you don't have much of an option here. You just sit there and you take it. I'll see you on the other side, buddy.
Yeah, crawl that way. Yeah.
Yeah, you're about to get shot. Oh shit, he sees you.
No, so inconspicuous. How did you see me?
Okay, I'm going around the opposite direction. It seems like they're gonna take that path.
Oh my gosh.
Uh,
What can I title this? This is ridiculous. Oh no! I cannot believe my eyes right now.
I'm about to brave the storm.
I hope the storm devours your soul.
You're gonna drop me in the storm.
It's better than dropping you into enemies.
Yeah. I mean, at least you'll be like right outside the storm, so it's not too.
Well, at least I'll be getting these revive points this match.
Yeah. Must be nice.
Oh, there's a guy on the other side of that mountain, Caleb.
Which mountain? Which mountain?
I can't walk him. Oh, hey, on the direct opposite side.
You guys are playing in the same room. Just point.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so...
Oh, here he is. Gosh, why me? Why?
Oh, Caleb, don't walk into the store. Don't walk into the store.
There's no escape. I couldn't go anywhere.
The second I put my feet on the ground, there's a guy on top of me.
I'm done.